So to attach the brake hangers, which is these brass parts, I've got some 6BA bolts, but they are too long. So what I've done is just drill and tap some hex bar to be the right size, and then I'm just popping it in the vise. Can't see very well. You can feel the file skating across the brass, so you know when you've got down to the right size. And there we go, a shortened screw. I've got to do 26 of these, so it's worth making a jig. There you go. So, perhaps need a slight clean up on the end, but should do the job. There we go. Lovely jubbly. So that's another one done. So it won't take long to go through 26. Yeah. So hope you found that useful. Just a quick tip. I was trying to do them on the lathe, but actually it's quicker to do them. They kept unscrewing, so actually doing it by hand is the quicker option. All good. So like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.